Hi guys, this is the Microsoft's new Surface Duo dual screen phone. Okay, it is mostly, I think, comparable with the Galaxy Fold. Galaxy Fold is technology is advanced. This doesn't look more practical and it's not pocketable in size. There are a few comments which have been posted. You can check in the video. Uh, Most of them are comparing with the Samsung Fold, and as per the designer's concern, that's where people are commenting. It's not practical, and when this phone breaks, I believe it needs to be disposed rather than spending more amount or huge amount to get it repaired, and as it also looks fragile. So the concept is good. Let's see. Let's wait for the device and see how this runs. And that's about it, folks. If please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll share more such videos on the tech gadgets.